There we have it, 8 6-ounce servings, 350 calories, 54 grams of protein per serving. Start to finish, about 30 minutes, you have 8 meals worth of protein ready to go. You guys gotta give this a shot. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees and get our chicken cut up. 3 pounds chicken tenderloins cut into 1-inch chunks. Then we want 100 grams of flour. I'm using whole wheat today. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Blend that together. Then we want to get 2 cookie sheets lined with foil or parchment paper. So now we're going to spray our pans down. To get an accurate reading on how much oil we use, I put a can on a scale, tar it so it's 0. Then when I spray these pans and put it back, it tells me I use 2.5 grams of oil. Don't forget the salt and pepper to taste. Dump the flour mix into the chicken and then let's get it coated up. So now that we have our chicken coated up, we're gonna get it distributed across these pans so there's a little bit of space between each chunk. Okay, as we can see, we have it all laid out, spaced apart evenly, and all the chicken absorbed pretty much all of the 100 grams of flour. So this is gonna be really accurate as far as tracking macronutrients. So we have 2 trays, we're gonna bake them at the same time, 10 minutes like this, and then after 10 minutes, I'm gonna take the bottom rack and put it on top for another 10 minutes, 20 minutes total. 350 degrees. Let's back up for a second. I almost forgot something. We're gonna spray the tops of the chickens down. I usually use olive oil spray. This is what I have on hand today. This will help get it a little bit of that color, a little bit of that toasty brown color. The recipe calls for 10 grams of oil. Use 2.5 to spray the pan. So now we're gonna do about 7.5 to spray the tops of the chicken. That's 5, 7.5 grams, as you can see there. So that's 10 grams of oil total in the oven, 10 minutes, and then switch racks another 10 minutes. 20 minutes, I'm gonna pick out the biggest piece of chicken that I can find. And we just temp that. 165 or above is what we're shooting for. Whoops, that one fell to the ground. We got over 165 degrees. Chicken's done, 20 minutes. Lightly breaded, baked, beautiful. You cool them down, you can freeze them, throw them in the air fryer when you're ready for them, toss them in buffalo, barbecue, General Tso's, teriyaki sauce, whatever you want. You can do a lot with these, okay? About 30 minutes, start to finish, and you have 8 meals worth of protein ready to go, delicious, okay? Give it a try. Bon appetit.